A few years ago, my father developed some joint pain and stiffness. We didn't think much of it because we thought it was just a normal sign of aging. But over time, it started to get severe. He found it difficult to get out of bed and walk and was eventually confined to a chair. Then we got a diagnosis, rheumatoid arthritis. We were perplexed. How could our father go from someone who's healthy to someone suffering from severe pain in a short amount of time? It was almost like a switch had been turned on. Thankfully, his treatment is working and his disease is under control. He's doing well. But the question remains. We don't know how it happened, and in fact, researchers still don't know the exact cause of rheumatoid arthritis. Which begs the question, is there a switch that triggers it, and can it be delayed? I was driven to my project for this very reason, and I am looking at it from a different perspective, that is from periodontal disease. Now you might be wondering, how does my mouth affect my body? Well, studies have shown that bacteria in the mouth and gut can play roles in diseases by either causing them or worsening them. The bacteria I'm looking at is Aggregatibacter actinomycetemcomitans, or let's call it AA for short. It produces a toxin called leukotoxin A, which kills immune cells by forming holes on the surface. Now, with these holes, calcium from the outside can enter the cells and then activate proteins or enzymes in the cells to modify other proteins. Now, they do that by changing one building block or amino acid for another. And this is called citrullination. When it occurs in excess, it's known as hypercitrullination. Now, it's important in RA because in susceptible individuals, these modified proteins, although they are a part of you, start being recognized by the immune system as foreign and as a threat. So the immune system trains up the army of antibodies to target these proteins, thereby leading to what we call autoimmunity, where the body starts to attack itself. Now, my project is interested in testing how feasible this oral RA theory is. And I do that by exposing immune cells to the leukotoxin A and seeing what exactly happens inside the cell by peeling back layers and understanding which proteins are crucial for the toxin to cause its effects in the cells. Hopefully, by filling these gaps, our project can amplify the importance of this oral RA bridge. And with sufficient evidence to support this theory, we can eventually change how RA is being treated. Instead of just disease-modifying drugs, we can also include periodontal assessments and treatments. Hopefully, this can help to either delay the disease in at-risk individuals or alleviate the severity of the disease in those who have RA.